Today, let's talk about how to use uncountable nouns. These nouns are class collective nouns because they refer to things of a class and not to people. It is possible to use a countable equivalent to replace an uncountable noun. Let's see some examples. Work, a piece of work. Soap, a cake of soap. Paper, a piece of paper. Applause, a volley of applause. Information, a piece of information. Stationery, an item of stationery. Now, numerical adjectives like few, many, a good number of, a large number of cannot be attached to uncountable nouns. Instead, we may use expressions of quantity like lots of, a lot of, a great deal of, a good deal of, much, some, and so on. For instance, a good deal of information has been collected. I hope this is useful for you people. Do follow Tiju's Academy for more tips. ഉറപ്പാണ് വിജയം.